Okay, so now what should you eliminate
Yeah, well, you want to eliminate the
besides the
thing. Yeah, anything that is known to trigger inflammation. So in the U.S., a big thing is gluten. And there's different reasons, no theories as to why that is. But here in the U.S., eliminate gluten. A major one I tell people to eliminate is dairy.
Yes.
Dairy is it's all
Yes.
inflammation, liquid fat and inflammation.
Yeah. I know people say, I can't give up my cheese. I can't give up my cheese. It's like, you'd rather be inflamed or would you rather just give it up and live good?
Choose your hard.
Yeah. I always say that.
Yeah, you want to be choose the difficulty with the health issue, or you want to have difficulty because you're missing cheese. No, I'm serious. I mean, it's just decisions. Life is all about decisions.
Yeah.
I think the third thing is just the lifestyle. Again, it's something else we practice about, and it's all about how stress impacts the immune system.
Oh, yeah. So if you're stressed all the time, whether it's physical stress, emotional stress, or chemical stresses, you're faced with those type of things all the time, your immune system goes down.
Yeah, so the stress, because when your immune system's up, you're basically expending energy to try to heal. And so your stress was to downplay that. That way you can have the energy to run from the tiger,
Okay.
right, or get through the situation. And because that cortisol, all the immune different cells would say that's and it causes more inflammation with like cytokine responses. You want to lower the stress levels as much as possible and manage it.
Gotcha.
And when we're talking about stress, let's or inflammation. We're talking about chronic inflammation,
Okay.
not acute, where it's I break my ankle and that's trying to heal itself. I'm talking about where it's always in the body because you're eating the dairy.
Right. Got it. Okay. What else?
Well, you tell me what else are some other lifestyle things that people can do to help regulate the stress and improve their immune system?
He threw it back at me. Okay. Well, I'm thinking sleep.
Your favorite pastime, Mike?
I love a good sleep. Like, I guess quality of sleep, because if you're not getting enough sleep, or you're on your device late at night, or you are watching TV late at night, you're interrupting your sleep.
Yeah.
It's not good, right?
Remember the quality. So, I mean, what are some of the things you got to pay attention to when you do go to sleep?
He's quizzing me, y'all. Making sure that the temperature is cool, right? You don't want your room too hot. Making sure there's no lights, especially light from your phone, or the TV, or the devices, or any type of light. Even the light in the smoke detector above your head.
Yeah.
It's like you need to get something to cover those as well, unfortunately. So you want to have a good sleep hygiene, right? Before you get to bed, it's like take a warm bath, Epsom salt bath, and journal, read, meditate.
Yeah. So sleep quality is really,
Prepare
really
you for a
important.
good night's sleep. Yeah.
Really important. I think another thing too that helps with not only getting good quality sleep and also improves your immune system is just movement, physical activity.
Yes, exercise is extremely important.
No, there's like those different zone, like zone 1, 2, and 3. Like, I know by power zones by cycling, but zone 2 is a great place to live when it comes to moving, strength training.
Strength training, yes.
Yeah,
Yes, because as we age, your muscle mass goes down. Is the muscle mass?
yeah,
that
go
goes
down a little bit. Yeah, you got to maintain a little bit more. For
Yeah,
sure.
you want to be able to do simple things later on in life. Strength train.
Yeah, and I love to work out in the morning. It kind of just gives you a boost, kind of endorphins start kicking in to get you through the morning, and life can get in the way too. You try to come back home and try to work out. It's just kind of tough.
And who wants to do that at the end of the day? Aren't you tired? I mean, I understand some people have no choice, but it's like when we used to do it, we'd be so tired. We'd be tired.
Well, think about that though. When we go back, I mean, that goes back 15 or so years. We used to try to do it, and our lifestyle and diet and everything, and our immune system, we're probably in chronic inflammation. We didn't have the energy, but now we have energy that can go pretty much all night or all day.
Yeah. I have the energy to work out in the morning, and I feel great afterwards. I feel horrible if I miss a day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think those are the big things. And when we see it, I think we just experience what we just talked about. Because now we just changed over the 15, 16 years. But when we make micro changes, we start to notice some really dramatical impacts. And we see it in people who actually take know the advice and go with it. Where people will live on coffee,
Yeah.
for energy,
Yeah. Those drinks, what you call
energy drinks, whatever
drinks.
they're called. I don't even know.
I don't even know what
I,
they're
I
called.
don't know what they taste like. Yeah, I don't want to taste it.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're living in pain.
Yeah.
You're maybe taking 4 different medicines daily. You're exhausted. You're overweight, and frankly, people just kind of lose hope.
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody's in a daze because you're on that medication. You see them. You see people walking in.
Yeah, well, the thing is, it's like I'm going to the doctor. I'm doing everything that we just talked about, and then everything's fine. I don't know why I'm feeling this way. I'm just